Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to rotate and scale objects in AutoCAD. These tools are very important when you want to adjust your drawing without redrawing again. So stay tuned and you watch it. To rotate an object in AutoCAD, you either click on the Rotate tool on the Modify tab, or you type Rotate and then you click on Rotate. Then it will ask you to select the object. Then you select the object that you want to rotate. In my case, I want to rotate this rectangle. So after clicking selecting the object, you either right click or you click Enter on the keyboard. So I'll right click my mouse. Then it will ask you to select the base point. So you select the base point, ensure the OSNAP tool is selected. If you missed the OSNAP tutorial, click the link on the description below. Then click on the base point. Then it will ask you to specify the angle of rotation. You can specify the angle of rotation or you can rotate it based on your requirement. For my case, I'll put the angle as, let's say, 90. So if you missed the class on setting the units, it is very important. Setting the angles, it is very important so that you can know how it is rotating. And for my case, I said that the units should move clockwise. The direction is north, so it will be moving the angle and the direction clockwise based on the reference from the north. So you put 90, then you click Enter. Then the object will be rotated clockwise based on that. If you select an angle of negative, so let's say if you want to repeat rotate, then you select the object, you right click on the mouse, then you select the base point, and then you put the angle as negative 90, it will move counterclockwise. So it will move to its original position. If you want to scale your drawing in AutoCAD, you can select Scale on the Modify tool, or you can type Scale. Then you click on Scale. Then it will ask you to select the object. You select the object, and then after selecting the desired object, you right click on the mouse or you click Enter on the keyboard. Then it will ask you to specify the base point. Ensure that you select the correct base point by clicking on the required base point. So you click on the base point, then it will ask you to specify the scale factor. If you put a scale factor of less than 1, it means the drawing will be reduced. But if you put a scale factor greater than 1, the drawing will be enlarged. So let's try a scale factor of 2, meaning the drawing will be enlarged by 2, and then you click Enter. After that, the drawing will be enlarged by 2. Let's say we want to repeat the scale. You select Scale, you click on Scale, then it will ask you to select the object, then you right click, then you select the base point, and this time you use a scale factor of 0.5 to reduce the drawing by half. Then we come back to our original drawing. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share the video to your friends. Thank you for your support.